Um, Hi James, isn't it a lovely morning? Lovely? I don't think so. Well, maybe don't get too sophisticated with me. Is today Saturday? Oh man, I'm going back to bed. I got to save the day from some top unpack. James, you're him? You said poo. If Stubborn Hat was so smart, he would leave my tender in the roundhouse. Yeah, he would, so. Yeah, he's so smart. He was so smart. Same thing I said. Like, yeah, right. Right, let's just go up this hill, James. Okay, let's not talk about your tender. Let's talk about, like, different things like this. Who gets the biggie from the piggy? I don't know. The piggy! It doesn't make any sense. I know it doesn't. But how does the piggy get the other piggy? I don't know. He's in the jar, and then the other piggy gets the other piggy. Well, maybe that's how it is. You don't know. Yeah, if he was so smart, then look it. It's in jars right there. My tender, my tender, my tender, my tender. Did I tell you to give you? Did I give you a second chance? Maybe. Just don't do it again. Okay. Hey, don't do it again, I say. Okay. Well, maybe I see your tender right there. Is it yellow or red and it has 5 on it? What do you mean yellow? I made a funny joke. Well, maybe that wasn't funny.
Here.
Maybe that wasn't funny, but we don't know. Look at those 2 guys over there. Look at them. Look at them. You see? Look at them. Here, okay. Say goodbye. 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 Okay, bye. Jump.